Gusto ko lang i-share yung sex life ko as a middle-class Pinoy haha. 5 years ago I was able to fuck a rich girl student na na-meet ko sa bar. I was a Grab driver that time, 24M, and she's a student naman, 19F, petite, tisay with brace kaya kuhang-kuha niya yung libog ko haha. Iba pala feeling ng makaiyot ng mayaman at ng may class sa buhay. Nasanay kasi ako sa ungol kantot na sige patangi na ang sarap. Tas nung siya na tinira ko English yung sinasabi niya like fuck me harder, better, faster, stronger, hahaha. So ayun memorable lang sakin kasi she's literally out of MY League and I was able to fuck her. Kaya wala kong sinayang na moment. Literal na mata lang walang laway. Kinantot barubal ko siya and made sure na di niya rin ako malilimutan haha. So yun nasiyahan naman siya kasi ibang klase daw ako kumain at dumila. Sinabi ko na lang na panis nga kinakain ko, eto pa kayang sariwa, haha tas yun tawa siya ng tawa.
At least nalaman ko na yung gusto ko, right? So lamig dito sa place and fuck am so horny and mas fuck kasi am so tinatamad kasi. Super natuturn on talaga ako pag medyo malamig tong temperature and namimiss ko, FWB ko hahaha. If nabasa mo na yung last post ko dito sa ideal question me siguro na bakit ko mamimiss kung ganun naman yung nangyari girl it. Super thank you sa ex, FWB ko kasi I know what I want na ngayon hahaha. Super natuturn on talaga ako pag naalala ko how he treated me like a slut nung last sex namin like super super thank you. Galing kasi ako sa uni nun and I'm so horny na talaga that time so pumayag na ako makipag-meet up. Fuck so cute niya hahaha and super bango, tapos ang lambing pa ng boses huhu. We bought lunch muna before we checked in. Nung nasa room na kami he asked me if okay lang daw ba ako na nag-check-in while wearing emo school uniform and I nodded naman. Ang lambing ng boses niya mga like hey weekends MY niece agad boses pa lang. Feel ko hina hard fuck na niya ako boses pa lang niya haha ang oh. After mag-lunch nagpaalam ako sa kanya na maliligo muna ako kasi WT super init dito sa Pinas and nag-practice kami ng dance before ako lumarga. He insisted na sabay na kami maligo pero nahihiya kasi ako wala pa naman akong dalang extra undis that time. So sabi ko sige hindi na lang ako magpapantipawi kasi nahihiya ako mag-fully naked haang naliligo kasi sasabay siya. Gusto mo hubaran pa kita, fuck serious. Yung boses niya talaga huhu then he kissed me aggressively and pulled my undies down wala na akong nagawa. Ayon we're hungrily kissing each other while on the shower grab lamas na lamas dediko and nararamdaman ko din na he's really hard kasi kumikis-kiss yung tight niya sa likuran ko. Then he held my thighs pataas para itis yung pep ko and fuck nang hihina talaga ako pag inungulan ako sa ears. Nangangalay na ako so I made my way to give him head. Napag-usapan kasi namin na gusto kong mag-fully submit sa kanya, na I don't want to take any control gawin niya lahat ng gusto niyang gawin sa akin. While giving him a head fuck sobrang natuturn on talaga pag hindi ako pinapansin, kahit tumutulo na luha ko kakathrust sa bibig ko, super hot non for me. Nakakapit ako sa hita niya initially but sinasabi niya in his malambing na voice, yung kamay mo sa likod lang yan, sabay sasampalin ako fuck. And siya din yung naggagwili ng ulo ko so I don't really have control kung gaano kabilis or kalalim yung pag-mouth fuck niya sa akin. He's saying, ang sarapan tuti ng bibig mong puta ka. Like fuck, hindi niya ba alam na uhaw ako sa validation, ha 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 ha. And when he finished, nilunok ko yung tamod niya fuck ang sarap, but he suddenly slapped me nung nalaman niyang nilunok ko agad ha 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 ha. He held chin and kissed me passionately naman, then he stopped kissing me held chin much harder told me to open ambo mouth and then spat. On ambo mouth. Fuck ing exit niya. Tinapos na namin maligo then we proceeded na sa bed. Kiss muna ulit then pinahiga niya ako basta yung ulo ko nasa edge ng bed and nasa uluhan ko siya. Why smut fuck ulit? Hihihi habang minamothok niya ako, he's teasing Emma talagang napapaungol ako kahit binabayo niya bibig ko. He came and I swallowed again, walang pahinga pinatagili niya naman ako then mouth fuck me na naman hihihi. So hot pa kasi with his malambing voice he's restricting me from holding anything for Emma support basta ang kamay laging nasa likod lang diba? And ito na pinaka-favorite kong part nung titirahin na niya ako, tinalian na niya kamay ko fuck, nahuhorny talaga ako pag naiisip ko to, kinantot niya ako in whatever position, rawness and pace he wants habang ako wala akong magawa kasi nakatali yung kamay ko huhu. Super favorite ko pag doggy, then he'll hold what tied hands patalikod, fave ko din pag patagilid niya akong titirahin, and pag ako yung nasa ibabaw fuck. Kahit ako na yung nasa ibabaw, he managed to be dominant pa rin, which I really really love fuck. Wala akong control sa pace ng pagbabataas ko sa tight niya, sagad na sagad fuck, and missionary, tas kitang kita ko nagigil siya sa akin. Lalo na pag pinaglalaruan niya yung pace, ang sarap pag binabagalan, then suddenly bibilis and babaon ng sobra. Fuck, punong-puno ako, siguro naka more than 5 rounds kami pero di ako natapos, haha. We did it raw BTW. Yun lang, bitin ba? Bitin din kasi ako nun eh.
I'm a married guy with 2 kids and typical deadbed scenario. Been dealing with my attempt to cheat for more than a year now. I've met a mommy din dito sa Reddit. We're both in 30s. She's 5 year older pala and same din kami ng sex life. Kakwentuhan lang, safe for work and share ng co-parenting life and some sex stories. One day we agreed to meet and bahala na where it goes, pero hindi natuloy. We changed our mind and agreed hindi ituloy and hindi muna kami mag-uusap. Few weeks later, I posted sa or for our subs looking for kausap and I posted na I'm married. I received a message from a Redditor. She's cool and hot, curvy and sobrang kinis. She's offering used undies though, so I can sniff and all. She have proof that the panty was hers and used talaga niya, of course without face. Yes, I was tempted to avail. We arranged shipment and tada na sakin na. I was so nervous to open the item. I immediately went to see her and checked the item. It was a cheap panty and she wore it for 12 hours. Yes, nakakadiri ako, I admit, but I started to sniff it, sobrang aroused ko and the smell was so good, sa sobrang aroused ko nanginignig pa ako. I continued sniffing it till I started to masturbate. Sobrang tigas ng titi ko and sa excitement and kaba ko sobrang daming lumabas sakin and I feel so embarrassed and felt guilty. I immediately threw away the undies. Yes, you can judge me. Madumi ako and kadiri. But this stopped me of thinking or attempting to cheat. Ulitin ko pa ba bumili ng used undies? I can't say, pero the feeling was too good. Is it considered cheating? Yes, of course, still cheating.